Well, this garden tour day didn't start off quite like we had hoped. First off, we had found this beautiful cabin Airbnb out in the woods. And in a cabin, you would expect you might see a few bugs, but then this happened. So by the time we got done with the day, we had decided that it just wasn't going to work to stay here. And so we found another place to stay. We had a food tour planned in Asheville, North Carolina. We got a call that it had to be canceled. So I got this great idea. It's Wednesday, and today is supposed to be the day that we go for our food tour of Asheville. And I got a call late last night that it was canceled today. I still want to make today special for my wife, so I am going to try and put our own food tour together. That I was going to do my own food tour and set something up for my wife.
Oh, ooh, a sticky roller, which was upstairs.
Okay. Anyway, so I just made a video. I just made a video saying how I was going to take you on a wonderful food trip. And then I have been going through all of the food places, and every one that I wanted to take her to was closed. And that didn't go so good either. It was another fail. Most every restaurant that I tried to call was closed because of the COVID stuff. So no eating in. I looked into the North Carolina Arboretum. We'd visited there before and we really liked it. Now we've got a year pass to the Chicago Botanical Garden, which gives us reciprocity to many, many gardens. And so today's tour is the North Carolina Arboretum just outside of Asheville, North Carolina.
How you doing today?
Very well, thank you.
Well, good.
These are beautiful.
Appreciate that. Appreciate you being here to see them.
They're so beautiful. I love the leaves.
Mm-hmm. This is more of a weekend style, it looks like.
The day seemed like it was a fail. It seemed like just nothing was coming together. So we went and had a wonderful day at the North Carolina Arboretum. So this is our fourth Airbnb on this trip. We've never done Airbnbs before. This one we knew didn't look like much on the outside. We got it because from the inside, it just had this, I don't know, cozy, bright look. We're gonna go in and take a look at this B&B. Kitchen area. There are snacks on the counter for us, which is so nice. Then there's laundry and AC. And here's the bedroom with a huge bed. But it's just nice, bright, clean place. And then in here is the bathroom. And so here we are. Again, very, very nice. Enjoy it. Oh, but there's one more thing. We love this.
It's a Danish word. Hygge, a calm, comfortable time with people you love, a complete absence of frustrations or anything emotionally overwhelming, often enjoyed with good food and drinks, warm blankets, and candlelight.
I am really thinking that this is exactly why we're here.